Hello, this is Brian Resnick. It's question and answer day, and the question that I'm getting a lot on my TV and radio shows is about recent market volatility. First off, let me state this. We've seen a little bit more volatility in 2018, that last 6 weeks or so, than I probably have seen in my whole investing career over 30 years. Is this normal? Realistically, volatility is normal. To the extent we've seen it, you're going to get spurts like this, and it's going to happen occasionally. Remember, just because you're seeing volatility doesn't mean we're going to a recession, and it doesn't mean you should change your investment strategy if you actually have one and follow one. Volatility, remember this, is normal in all asset categories, and I've talked about this repeatedly. What happens to most investors, though, and I will tell you, if you stick to your investment strategy and your game plan, what we see in the future is a prosperous investor. It's the investor who's emotional, who jumps from strategy to investment to different strategy to different advisor to another advisor, is the big loser. Ultimately, the green is not greener on the other side of the pasture. As long as you have a real money manager and your money's being managed properly, you have to accept that volatility. If you can't accept any volatility, or even what you saw last year, that means you're probably not invested right at all. It means you should ultimately probably be in a CD type investment, something safe and guaranteed that makes 2%. You won't make a lot of money long term, but at least you'll sleep at night. Again, you're going to give up return for safety, and again, non-emotional. Sometimes that's the best thing for the emotional investor. So again, volatility's always been here. It's always going to be here. It's not going to change today, tomorrow, or in the next 30 or 40 years. Expect it, and as long as you embrace it and you invest properly, you'll probably be a very happy investor over the next 3 to 5 years. Don't worry about what happened last year. Look at the next 3 to 5 ahead of you, and again, chances are you'll be a very happy investor. If you're not a client of our firm, it's time you called us, schedule a consultation. We manage larger portfolios, $500,000 and greater. Calls for a consultation. It's time you experienced the Resnick Wealth Management difference. Real advice, real money management, none of the shenanigans or conflicts of Wall Street, banks, and brokerage firms. Have a safe and profitable day.